Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we got a Porsche 914 Safari. The casting is by Hotwheels Premium from the Thrill Climber set and part of the Hotwheels car culture. If you don't know, Hotwheels does these premium cars where they have nicer wheels, metal base, metal body, nice paint, rubber tires, and Porsche every now and then does a off-road version of their sports car, which are called the Safari. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the Porsche 914 Safari out of its box, and first thing you will notice is this really cool looking paint, the blue, the white, and the stripes going in. And Porsche has used this for a lot of their off-road cars, like the Safari model. It looks good, and the white wheel obviously looks good, really nice with this one. I'm going to start from the front. So in the front you've got some nice details. You've got a big bull bar with this auxiliary lamp. This look like fog lamps, but might be the running lamp, the actual headlamps, because it had a flip up headlamps and this bull bar replaces that position. So no actual headlamps there. You do get the turn indicators, a skid plate because it's going off-road, and a metal bumper on a Porsche sports car. You also get number 14, Porsche 914, and a Porsche badge on the front. It was a mid-engine car, so just no engine in here. You do get a single mirror and both the windshield wipers, which look nice. Now, coming to the driver's side, first thing first, there's no glass in the windows, so you can see the interior finished in black with racing seats. It's a raised car, not raised, like raised in height. That's why you will see mud flaps here. These wheels actually look like what you see on Porsches. The design of the 5-spoke, they look nice. Rubber tires, as it's a premium. Again, nice details on the side. You can see the door handle, number 14, 914 Porsche, and black interior. Obviously bigger wheel arches because it's got bigger tires. Now, there are a lot of details on the top, which I will show you later. Let's move to the back now. So on the back, again, nice details. You've got detailed tail lamp, you've got twin exhaust, mud flaps again. And this is how it looks from the passenger side or co-driver side. Now, on the top, you can see there are a lot of good details. You got a roof rack with a jerry can. You got a roll cage, and looks like exhaust. No, not exhaust. Fire extinguishers. Another jerry can and a spare wheel. So a lot of details on the top, and also this looks like another auxiliary lamp. So if you look at from top, there are a lot of good details. It looks really nice. And this is how it looks from the bottom. Not a lot of details on the bottom. So overall, I think it's a nice looking casting, and especially with all the details and painted details, it looks really good, and it's a good part of the 5-car set. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.